Namaste, welcome to Vishwa Yoga. My name is Vishwa. In this video, I will talk about the earth practice of Tantric Hatha Yoga. The earth refers to our physical body, which has profound connection to the planet we inhabit, originating from the earth and eventually returning to it. But while we are here, our body acts like a vessel through which we experience the world and interact with others. A healthy body is a foundation for the yoga practice and experiencing all the joy and success in life. Therefore, we must take care of our bodies and keep in good health. Just as the earth requires attention and care to thrive, our body requires attention and care to maintain optimum health and well-being. Therefore, earth practice is all about taking care of our physical body and making it ready or fit for yoga practice and keeping in good health. In Sanskrit, earth is called Prithavi, connecting to our root or Mooladhara chakra for grounding and stability. But earth practice is not just limited to that center. It affects everywhere in the body. Think of it, wherever you have earth element like bones, muscles, tissues, etc. However, based on the intent of the earth practice, I also like to refer to it as Yogya Sadhana, which means preparing our body to make it eligible or qualified for yoga practice. If you are familiar with kosha, this practice is all about Annamaya kosha. Anna means food, Maya means that which consists of, and kosha means sheath or layer or body. Now, every Hatha Yoga practitioner begins here and continues to take care of this foundation every day. Earth practice primarily focuses on purification, strengthening, nurturing, and cultivating it. This practice activates and promotes immune power or Arogya Shakti with the seed of willpower or Ichcha Shakti, using the essential components of yoga practice, which I covered in the previous video, plus body and mind purification techniques such as Shat Karmas plus Ayurvedic principles. So, as per Hatha Yoga, purification of the body is the first and foremost important step before starting any yoga practice. It is like cleaning your house before you are starting to move in. And then gradually prepare and strengthen our body primarily through physical posture or asana practice with foundational breathing and meditation practices connecting to the essential components of yoga practice. And lastly, it is important to know how to maintain and keep your body healthy by understanding the Ayurvedic principles, so that you can apply them in your daily life and most importantly in your personal practice as per your body constitution. You will also understand the progression of Tantric Hatha Yoga practice as how body and breath is cultivated before turning to mind. Remember, we are born unique. No one practice is suitable for all. Based on our situation and where we are in our life, we must choose the practice which suits our needs and help us grow. This earth practice is suitable for anyone. It can be done at different levels using all types of asana movements or full body practice with various sequences as per the level of the students. However, some challenges are required as part of this practice, as that's what helps us grow and move forward. As you progress, earth practice tends to produce some sweat naturally. No external heat is required. And if you practice vigorously, it may look like hot yoga practice. However, it is also referred to as Anga Mardana Yoga. Today, many popular yoga classes and various styles, focusing mainly on physical posture and fitness, fall into this category. Many use a simplified approach by opting for sweat-producing environment such as heat and or asana practice, which appears to fill the requirements for both body purification and strengthening. This can be a quick and easy alternate option for you if that's what you are looking for. However, if you are interested in practicing yoga as recommended by the ancient masters and passed down through a lineage, then I suggest you to join the workshop or contact a qualified teacher to learn the original techniques and principles, and then choose what best resonates with you. So this was a short introduction to the earth practice of Tantric Hatha Yoga. If you have any questions or would like to know more, please feel free to contact me. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste. Thank you so much for listening. If you like the information, please subscribe, like, and share so that everyone else can also enjoy this.